your blue is not enough.
To the channel today, I have a review that comes to us from Sensationnel, and it is from their Empress lace wig. The name of this one is Giselle, and I have it in the color DX4799. So this is the stock card, and it is curling iron safe. And I thought this would be another good one for fall. It has some burgundy colors in it. So let's take it out of the packaging. Cap construction, I can tell you that it has hard lace. So some people don't like hard lace. You get two combs on the side, looks like they're on the temple, and you get a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So it's your regular cap construction. I'm going to put it on a mannequin head so that we can take a closer look at the hairline. Parting space, you're getting about an inch. About an inch of parting space. So it's about that much, about an inch. Because it's that small, I would probably do it in a diagonal so I can make better use of it. So I'd probably do a diagonal part. The hair is really soft, and the color's pretty vibrant. So let me get this on, and let's get a look at it with it on. Okay, I'll tell you right away, the cap construction is a little snug. Now you may want to take off the adjustable straps. I left them as they came from the manufacturer, but it does fit a little snug in my opinion. Now I like the hard lace around the edges because the wig lays so flat. So right off rip, I like it. I like the curls, like the way it falls. It's not too full also, so I like that as well. So let's get into this part. Let's see, do I want a part or just a small one maybe? Yeah, a small part would be fine. You don't need anything too much. Let me see here. And see, you have to be careful because you get right into tracks. So the best thing is probably going to be a small middle part like this. And then wear it something like that. The hairline isn't bad, so let me see if you wanted to pull it up. Yeah, you could pull it up. If you do that, you definitely need to put on a wig cap that is darker, like black maybe, because you can see your wig cap in there. But all in all, like, this is a really cute unit. I like it over to the side as well. That's pretty cute, pretty sexy. And if you wanted to not have a part and just do it like that, you could. Yeah, and you wouldn't even need a part. Ladies, this is nice. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the ombre being opposite, the burgundy at the top, and then this reddish dark color at the bottom, but it's cute. Now this unit has surprised me because I don't think that this is, I know it's not a new unit, and I don't think that this unit is that expensive. Now I'll go through the cons. The first con is the parting area. You don't get a lot of parting space. You only get about an inch. But girlfriend, look at this front. I haven't even cut the lace off of this. It is so super cute, like super cute. So you can put a small part here and make it be like a middle, or like I said, you can switch it over to the side, this side versus that side. It is so Jessica Rabbit to me. I absolutely love this unit. And look at the waves and curls. Look at all that. Like, I'm in love with the unit. I absolutely love it. I think you can dress it up or dress it down. I think it's just a cute unit. Color on it is absolutely popping. So let me give you a 360 real quick. That's the front. This side, not sure if you can see how long it comes. It's the back. And this side over here. So, all in all, I like it. I don't have any true cons, probably besides the parting area. If you want more parting area, and for those who don't like hard lace. Otherwise, it's a cute unit that you can work with. And it could, if you get it in a natural color, maybe be an everyday unit. Since it just has like these romance curls in it, it just kind of depends on, you know, what your style is. So if you ladies are interested in this unit, I will leave all the information in the description box below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, join the family. We'd love to have you over here. And if you decide to share this video or any of my other videos on your social media, please tag me in it. And as you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.